We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR Release Test Questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab, and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 13. Rhonda's job is to drive a car for a company. Each month she is paid the same salary. She is also paid extra money for the number of miles she drives the car each month. In July, Rhonda drove 640 miles and was paid a total of $3,502. In August, Rhonda drove 820 miles and was paid a total of $3,601. Which function can be used to find Y, the total amount she is paid in a month if she drives X miles? We have 2 points above. To determine the slope, use the formula m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 over x1 equals 3601 minus 3502 divided by 820 minus 640, which is equal to 0.55. Y equals mx plus b. Pick point 1 with x equals 640, y equals 3502 to substitute to the equation to find b. We got b equals 3,150. Hence, the equation is y equals 0.55 x plus 3,150. C is the correct answer. Question number 14. The table shows the cost per year of attending different types of colleges. A student is planning to attend college in 5 years. The student has saved $1,200 and plans to save another $50 per month over the next 60 months, which is equal $50 times 60 months equals $3,000. Student has saved $1,200, hence, add $1,200 to $3,000 above, we got $4,200. Option F. The student would be able to afford the costs for 1 year at a private 4-year college. Private 4-year college costs $38,000 from the table, while the student's saving plan only has $4,200. Hence, eliminate option F. Option G. The student would be able to afford out-of-state costs for half a year at a 4-year public college, still higher than $4,200. Option H. The student would be able to afford in-state costs for half a year at a public 4-year college, is still higher than $4,200. Eliminate H. Option J. The student would be able to afford in-state costs for 1 year at a public 2-year college. This is the only option that lower than $4,200. Hence, J is the correct answer. Question number 15. Fulgurites are pieces of glass in the shape of a cylinder produced when lightning strikes sand. A student found a fulgurite with a height of 21 inches and a diameter of 6 inches. Which equation can be used to find V, the volume of the fulgurite in cubic inches? The formula for the volume of a cylinder is V equals pi/r square h. Pi is approximately 3.14. Radius is half of a diameter is 3. Substituting the numbers to the formula, We got V equals 3.14 times 3 squared times 21. So, B is the correct answer. Question number 16. The line graphed on the coordinate grid can be used to determine the number of inches of water added to a swimming pool after different numbers of hours. Which statement best describes the slope of the graphed line? The formula of the slope equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Pick any 2 points on the line that are easy to locate. Point 1 is 0, 0. Point 2 is 10, 24. Substituting the x and y values to the slope formula, we have m equals 24 minus 0 divided by 10 minus 0 equals 2.4. Hence, H is the correct answer.